Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best puppy bone is probably one of the most sought-after items for new dog owners, offering a blend of entertainment, dental hygiene benefits, and a safe outlet for a puppy's natural chewing instincts, ensuring they don't turn their attention to your furniture or shoes. This guide will delve into what makes a puppy bone truly stand out, helping you navigate the vast market to find the perfect chew toy that satisfies your furry friend's needs while promoting healthy development and preventing destructive behaviors. Number 5. Nylabone Textured Teething Bone Puppy Chew Toy. Soothe your puppy's sore gums and emerging teeth with its specially textured surface. This toy is designed to help during crucial development phases. This is a core addition to your puppy's needs, addressing teething discomfort that standard supplies often overlook. It's designed specifically for their developing mouths. It functions as an effective cognitive toy, promoting mental stimulation during chewing sessions. This helps keep your puppy engaged and happy. Unlike harder chew toys, this gentle option is designed for puppies. It safely protects their developing mouths and gums. The irresistible chicken flavor encourages positive chewing habits. It provides the comfort teething puppies crave. Manufactured domestically with rigorous safety standards, you can trust the quality. It's made with your puppy's well-being in mind. What we like? This one offers gentle teething relief with a textured surface to soothe sore gums. It also supports cognitive development through chewing. If you are looking for a safe alternative to harder chews and want a product made in the USA, this is a great choice for your puppy. What people say. The bone is durable and has held up well to my dog's chewing. My puppy loves to chew on this bone, it keeps him entertained for hours. The design of the bone is interesting and engaging for my puppy. Number 4. Nylabone Ring Bone Puppy Chew Toy, X Small. Introducing a chew toy designed specifically for your teething puppy. It offers gentle textures to soothe sore gums during this important developmental stage. This toy helps teach your puppy healthy chewing habits right from the start. It's made with a soft material perfect for gentle chewers. Infused with a delicious chicken flavor throughout, this chew can help redirect your puppy's chewing away from household items. It's a tasty way to keep them occupied. For extra teething relief, you can even chill this toy in the freezer. It provides a cool, soothing sensation for your puppy's gums. The unique ridges and nubs not only soothe gums but also help clean teeth. This promotes good oral hygiene as your puppy grows. This chew is designed for X-small puppies weighing up to 15 pounds. It's the perfect size for your little one's needs. What we like? This toy features massaging textures and is freezer-friendly for extra soothing relief. It's designed to teach healthy chewing habits for puppies with gentle chewing styles. If your puppy needs extra soothing or you want to encourage good chewing behavior from the start, consider this option. What people say. The bone is made of durable material that has withstood chewing from my teething puppy. It has a good size and shape for my puppy to hold and chew on. The texture of the bone is interesting and keeps my puppy engaged for longer periods. Number 3. Benebone Puppy Teething Sticks Chicken Flavor. Give your puppy the best during their teething phase. Our chicken-flavored sticks are designed to be highly palatable and perfect for puppies of all sizes. You can feel good about what you're giving your furry friend. These sticks are all natural, with no artificial colors or preservatives. Teething can be tough, but our pliable texture is safe for delicate new teeth. It effectively helps soothe teething pain and sore gums. Made with rice flour for easy digestion, these treats also provide essential calcium. They are completely edible and digestible, ensuring a happy tummy. Puppies love the great taste. These teething sticks offer a satisfying chew that they won't be able to resist. We prioritize quality and safety. Our products are SQF certified, ensuring you're providing a trusted treat for your puppy. What we like? These sticks are made with natural ingredients like rice flour for easy digestion. They have a pliable texture that soothes teething pain and sore gums. If you prefer all-natural treats that are completely edible and digestible for your puppy, these are an excellent pick. What people say. The product is very durable and has held up well to my puppy's chewing. My puppy loves playing with this bone, it keeps him entertained for hours. The design is great, it's easy for my puppy to hold and chew on. Number 2. Benebone Puppy Dental Chew Toy 2-Pack. Is your puppy going through the teething phase? This dental chew is specifically designed to provide relief and support during this crucial time. We are proud to say this toy is made right here in the USA. It features a real bacon flavor that your pup will absolutely love. With its soft design, this chew toy is gentle and kind to your puppy's delicate, emerging teeth. It provides a safe chewing experience. Help satisfy your puppy's natural urge to chew. This toy will keep your little one happily engaged and entertained. This chew toy offers a satisfying chewing experience with a flavor that dogs can't resist. It's the perfect way to keep them occupied. What we like? This chew toy comes in a real bacon flavor that is sure to entice your pup. It's designed to be gentle on little teeth while satisfying their chewing needs. If your puppy loves bacon flavor and you need a soft chew that comforts them during teething, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The product is very durable and has held up well to my dog's chewing. My puppy loves this bone and it keeps him entertained for hours. The design is great, it's easy for my puppy to hold and chew on. Number 1. Nylabone Puppy Starter Kit. Introducing the Nylabone Puppy Starter Kit, designed to guide your furry friend through every stage of chewing. It's the ideal way to begin teaching healthy habits right from the start. This kit features toys and treats made with materials suited for every developmental phase. Start with softer options for teething and progress to tougher ones as adult teeth emerge. Enjoy a highly digestible chew treat made with delicious bacon and chicken flavors. It contains no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives, ensuring a wholesome experience. Proudly crafted in New Jersey, USA, these chew toys are made with purpose and love. We ensure every toy has a unique shape, texture, and flavor your puppy will adore. Specifically designed for small puppies up to 25 pounds, this kit provides the perfect chewing solutions. Give your little one the best with toys and treats made just for them. What we like? This starter kit includes 2 chew toys and a natural treat, perfect for every developmental phase. It's designed with materials for every stage, from teething to adult teeth. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to teach healthy chewing habits and want a kit that grows with your puppy, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The Puppy Bone is a durable chew toy that has withstood aggressive chewing from my teething puppy. Its unique shape and texture make it engaging for puppies, keeping them entertained for extended periods. The bone is made from a safe, non-toxic material, which gives me peace of mind. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.